Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Vishrant. I'm one of the co-founders of Armatrix. We are a robotic snake-like company. We build 3 to 5 meter robotic arms to essentially do confined space automation.
Can you please explain about this product?
Yeah. So it is a very flexible, extrinsic actuated robotic arm. It can go anywhere from up to 3 to 5 meters, and it can go from as low as like 5 centimeters to 15 centimeters in diameter. It can go where currently all the manual inspections are happening, inside of an aircraft engine, inside of a wing fuel tank, anywhere where there's a confined space asset, be it reactor, engines, tanks. This can essentially go in. You can have a 3 kg payload capacity on top of it. So you can mount cameras, NDT sensors, you can do coating based tasks, welding based tasks, and it can automate all of these confined space operations.
What challenges you face and how you solve it?
So there are 2, 3 challenges on this. One is on the certification side. So it's difficult to certify these kind of robotic arm architectures. And second is on the reliability side. So being an early stage startup, it becomes really important for us to kind of start historical data of, okay, we have done it reliably for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years. And as we keep doing it, our reliability index goes up, our metrics go up, we get our product certified, everything.
Where do you see the aviation industry in upcoming 3 to 5 years?
Absolutely. So, to a large extent, right now, a lot of the tasks are still manual. Aviation, shipbuilding, oil and gas are one of the few industries which has not seen large scale automation adopt. And there are certain problems to it. One of them being confined space automations. You can't have normal robotic arms go inside of these places. You can't have humanoids or quadrupeds enter into aircraft engines, essentially. And this is where these kind of architectures come into the picture. So, as in all, we have more complex robotic architectures come into the market. The entire MRO as a stack starts getting automated.
As you talked about the challenges or problems that's in the aviation industry, so you are doing anything to solve these for the future or planning for that?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So we are positioning ourselves on the automation side of the MRO. We are building one architecture to solve that. There are definitely more challenges like how do you automate the entire coating process of an aircraft? How do you automate the entire inspection, the crack windows inspection of the segment of the aircraft? And this is where you need large scale robotic arm architectures, somewhere which can go as long as 7 to 9 meters in height, something that can go very flexibly inside all of these architectures. Then you have more drone-based inspections. So essentially, we are targeting to solve the automation segment of inspections and operations for the aircraft MRO market.
At last, what would you like to say about MRO Expo this year?
Oh, this is actually an amazing place because as it turns out to be, this is a very specific conference with a specific niche, which helps us meet all the right stakeholders. This allows us to get the right feedback from the customers, what they would want, what they would not want. This allows us as a startup to iterate on our prototypes, progress, and then get also the certifications and the product design specs are logged in accordingly. Secondly, it also helps us set up future meetings, which is something which is really critical for us as a startup. And we like end up meeting good people, and then we also build friendships as we come back here again and again after every year.
Thank you so much for sharing insights with us.
Thank you so much.